Introduction. Hey, connect to World Buddies. Today, let's explore the term hint. It's not just a suggestion. There's more to this word. Let's dive into the subtle art of dropping clues. Meaning. So, a hint is a subtle or indirect suggestion or clue, often used to convey information without explicitly stating it. It's a way of implying or indicating something without being overt. Usage. Imagine dropping a hint to a friend about your upcoming birthday, or picking up on subtle hints in a mystery novel. Examples. Think of giving someone a hint about your preferences, or catching on to the hints dropped in a conversation. Pronunciation. And when you say it, it's and hint. A term that embodies the delicacy of dropping subtle clues, right? Different uses. Ever heard of hinting in coding? It's a technique where a programming feature is suggested or indicated without explicitly stating it. Conclusion. If the idea of hint resonates with your communication style, consider hitting the like button and subscribing for more subtle word journeys. Stay connected, and until our next exploration, take care.